Good day and welcome to drupa. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print 21 magazine, and I'm on the Heidelberg stand today with Dierk Wissman. Good day, Dierk.
Good day, Wayne. Welcome to Heidelberg in Düsseldorf at drupa.
Thanks very much. And I've got to say, although the camera's facing the other way, it's a very busy Heidelberg stand. I mean, it's like a football crowd here. So you must be pleased with the numbers you're getting on the booth.
Very pleased, very pleased. I mean, we expect a total turn up of the entire show of about 200,000 people, and I would expect that almost everyone will come at least once to the Heidelberg stand. You know? Yeah,
that's quite impressive. A job welcoming 200,000 guests. What's the, obviously Heidelberg, you know, the biggest offset press manufacturer in the world still. What's the message that Heidelberg is giving to the industry at this drupa, Dierk?
Well, our motto this year is called Unfold Your Potential.
Yeah.
So, I mean, obviously that has several meanings.
Yeah.
But Unfold Your Potential, we see a few problem areas, and we recognize a few problem areas for our customers out in the world. And one of which is sustainability, of course.
Yeah.
You know, environmental areas, and we address these points. And then something here in Europe they call war for talents, because you know, finding skilled operators and talented operators is getting harder and harder, and everyone wants them. And so yeah, there's a real terminology for this, which is called war for talents here in Europe. That's the same in Australia and in the rest of the world. We are addressing these topics with automation, as you can see, robotics. You see a lot of robotics here, and reducing touch points to the absolute minimum possible. For an entire job workflow, we say about, you know, like say from the very beginning of a job, we say roughly about 20,000 different touch points are required to actually finish a job. And we reduce that up to 98%. We reduce touch points up to 98%.
Impressive. So sustainability, automation are really the key factors of Heidelberg at this show.
Sustainability, automation, yes, and environmental friendliness.
And then when we come to the presses themselves, we're looking at one across the way there, 21,000 sheets an hour. We're standing on this CO2 Speedmaster.
Well, no, the CO2 is just, it's environmentally offset. So that means we build a press, any press we build, we make that CO2 neutral. We build plants in some country, I don't know exactly which country, but we build trees in order to offset the CO2 emission for building these machines. So this is the XL 106-7 color with coda. It's a raised machine.
We're high up.
With you know, logistics, and it has a new coding center. And basically the message here is a coding job from one coding job to the other, including coding change from matte to gloss, for example, in 4 minutes. So that is absolutely impressive for a packaging job, and this is here, and it's printing on 21,000 sheets per hour, which is also a world record, by the way.
And that's on cardboard, basically.
Cardboard, yes. And behind us, there's just this show going on right now, and I mean, this is amazing how many people are there. So we've got the 8-color Perfector connected to a CutStar, which is the latest CutStar Generation 4, which is optimized for thinner material as well. A lot of in-mold companies use this technology as well, but you can now use it for commercial work as well. So what we are printing over there is a job section work with 115 GSM paper, perfected at 21,000 sheets per hour, which is amazing. And
we're looking at the automatic plate changing, which is something to see as well, isn't it?
Correct, absolutely. So this is the plate to unit system we are talking about, where the plates are automatically taken to the each individual unit, and then it also collects the used plates. So what happens is here in this show we print 4 sections, 1,650 sheets per section, 4-section job changeover and everything without the operator touching anything in under 10 minutes.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, and then it goes through your finishing with robotics we're looking at, aren't we?
Correct. So so at the finishing we've got the TH82P stacker with the shingling, not stacker, folder with the shingling, and then we have the Stack Star C, which is an automatic robotic system that picks up the piles and puts it on the pallets.
Yeah, fantastic. Dirk, before we leave this section, we've got to mention the B2 inkjet at Heidelberg and the B3 as well. What's the story there?
So I know about this since 3 days myself.
Okay,
it's been under wraps and it's been held very, very tight, which is fantastic. So it was a surprise to everyone. Absolutely amazing news. So we have the Jetfire 50 at the show. And this is the Canon inkjet 4-color B3 machine, which is a well-proven machine. The differentiator here is that we connect this machine with our workflow, so our Prenect workflow, which addresses our presses, our CTP, our proofing, other digital machines. All output devices are addressed from one workflow. So it's a job-oriented workflow setup rather than an output-oriented workflow setup, which is of course really, really beneficial for our companies who have different technologies. So that's a true differentiator. And then the other thing is that Heidelberg will service these machines as well. So our service team, our customers will also service these machines.
Okay, well we're going to wait with interest to see those arrive in Australia, right?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, Dirk Wissman, thanks so much for your time on the Heidelberg stand. It's been great to get a bit of an insight into what the Heidelberg's showing. A very impressive stand as always.
Thank you very much.
Okay, this is Wayne Robinson signing off from the Heidelberg stand with Dirk Wissman.